guys, my name is Sam and I work in the education team at Hazelhurst. Today we're going to learn how to make emoji cookies. So this is a really simple activity. It actually requires no baking at all. We're going to use some biscuits that I bought from the shops, some melted chocolate and some decorations to turn them into emoji style faces. So if you'd like to learn how to make them, this is what you'll need.
So for this activity you will need a medium bowl, a spatula and a tea towel to mop up any messes, a butter knife, spoon and a small bowl, a packet of biscuits that have a smooth back, a packet of white melting chocolate, coloured icing to draw your faces, yellow food colouring, and any extra decorations like these awesome eyeballs. So the first thing we're going to do is melt our white chocolate. You'll probably need a grown-up to help you with this part. On the stove, I've got a pot with some water and a mixing bowl on top. As the water is getting hot, it's creating steam and helping to melt the white chocolate. Once the chocolate is all melted, we're going to take it off the stove, and now it's time to add some yellow food colouring. So I'm adding a couple of drops, giving it a good mix, and I think it needs to be a bit more yellow, so I'm going to add a couple more drops and give it another good mix. Once your white chocolate has turned into a lovely shade of yellow, we're going to put this mixture onto our biscuits. So on the flat side of your biscuit, we're going to put a dollop using our spoon. We're going to smooth it over with our knife and then pop it onto a plate. Once you've coated a couple of biscuits, we're going to pop this in the fridge so it can firm up. Once your biscuits have had time in the fridge to harden, it's then time to decorate. So I'm going to use my icing tools to draw the faces of emojis. I found it helpful to use my iPad to get some reference images so I could copy carefully onto the biscuits. For all those little extra decorations like the eyeballs, you can just use some leftover melting chocolate to attach it to your biscuit. I'm just going back to tidy up all the details of the face. A little hack that I have to get the blush effect is to use just a dollop of red icing and your finger to smudge it out. Now you of course can make your own biscuits and your own icing from scratch, but this is a really quick and easy hack. And I think they turned out great.
Thanks so much guys, I hope you had fun watching this little how-to video. If you did this activity,